How to use converter in Gauth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, this is my home page. So basically, this is the place where you can click photos or upload different questions that you want to solve. Now, here on the right top, you can see this calculator like icon. Simply tap on this calculator icon. So this is the place where you can even use a converter. Here on the top, tap on converter. So this is the place where you can convert it. Here you can select different units, and here on the top you can translate or convert it easily. So simply tap on the units, and here on the bottom you can customize and select the one that you need. At last you can convert it and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you